These days, we're all stuck at home or limited to very little bit of outings. And so virtual mediation is something that's coming up for a lot of people. I'm Catherine Miller. I'm the founder of the Miller Law Group. And I want to talk today about the advantages and maybe some of the challenges with virtual mediation. Let's start with the second piece, mediation. Mediation obviously has been around for a very long time, and it offers a lot of advantages to people trying to resolve conflict. It offers the idea of a facilitator, the opportunity to understand the problem better, both your own understanding of the problem, the actual situation and the problem that you face together, and maybe even the opportunity to see the other side's perspective a little bit differently and be able to work through what's important to each of you, identify options that there are to solve those problems, and then between a comparison of the interests or what it is that's important to each person and the options and the external reality, work through to find a resolution that works well for all parties. That's what mediation is. Virtual mediation really offers a lot of opportunity where we maybe didn't see those opportunities before. One is convenience. It's incredibly convenient to be able to pop open your laptop and do a mediation session, close it, and you're done. No travel, no meeting at the, no parking, nothing of that sort. So it's really convenient. It also offers the opportunity to mediate more difficult, high conflict situations where you might not want to sit in the room with the other person. Sometimes when there's violence or threat, maybe virtual mediation is a real opportunity because there's a way to control the situation. Oh, you don't like it? Close the laptop. No, of course, we're not looking for people to think about ending the sessions like that, but it does allow for control each person has of their own presence and their own situation. And finally, virtual mediation really allows people to mediate smaller disputes that might not feel like they rise to the level of making an appointment with a mediator, finding a mediator, traveling and disrupting your schedules in that way, but smaller disputes between parents or disputes between neighbors or disputes that really feel like you really could use some help, but you're just not sure it's important enough to make that disruptive presence in your life. If you have any questions about virtual mediation, whether or not your situation is appropriate or right or could benefit from it, I really urge you to contact us and talk to a member of my team. Thanks for listening.